I'm Tyler from Diamond ProTech. We're here to talk about Diamond Revive Shampoo in Diamond ProTech's aftercare maintenance lineup. Diamond Revive is designed to unclog and restore the hydrophobic properties of your nano diamond coated vehicles. This soap is a low pH soap designed with high levels of lubrication, making it a great product to use as a pre-wash or a standalone wash being applied by a foam cannon or traditional bucket method of washing your vehicles. Revive is a product that may not be needed every single time you wash your vehicle. If you're someone maintaining a fleet or someone that does a lot of mileage, or maybe in one of those geographical areas where you're driving through harsh winter storms all the time, this could be a product you're using all the time to unclog and restore your coating. But if you're someone that has their vehicle in the garage more frequently, Diamond Revive is a product you may use once a month all the way up to once every 3 months, depending on how dirty your vehicle gets. I hope you've learned a little bit more about Diamond Revive Shampoo. Thanks for watching.